Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is creative in itself because all of you are seeing a very beautiful design ideas of hand embroidery patterns, simple and easy to make patterns, beginner friendly patterns that are totally idea based on denim embroidery, that is jeans embroidery, pants embroidery and many more creativities as per your pants or any type of skin fit or slim fit jeans as well. So the ones who are lovers of jeans, denims, skin fit or slim fit jeans, then this video is absolutely for you. All of these patterns are simple, easy to make, stylish and creative at the same time. You can make these very beautiful beginner friendly patterns with the help of one focused attention of sitting, and the thread you can use could be wool, anchor, DMC or any type of silky thread as well. So I hope that you really like my ideas. If you really like them, do try them and don't forget to leave comments what you want me to share with you in my upcoming videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves and stay tuned for my latest upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching once again. Stay blessed and stay connected. Don't forget to like and subscribe.